Hello everyone, this is Jacob with Nexus, and I'm here at 59 Sweet Avenue, Unit 1F, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. And before I begin the walkthrough for this unit, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we publish on our website, and of course any news that we publish about real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So we're going to begin here in this unit in the kitchen area. The centralized kitchen area leads to all the other rooms in the apartment and also houses your entryway to this unit. As you can see, it features a laminate flooring in here. The same laminate flooring will be found in the bathroom. You have large cabinets above the sink area, as well as below the sink area and around the stove for lots of storage space available to you in here. You also have this wide open countertop space with some outlets for any kind of plugins you'd like to have. The appliances in this kitchen include the double bin stainless steel sink with the spray nozzle. You have the 4-burner stove and oven with the exhaust fan up above and the medium-sized refrigerator. And this kitchen houses a nice wall curtain, a wood wall curtain. Looks very nice, very antique. And you have plenty of space in this little corner over here for a medium to large size dining set. Very nice. All right, next up, we're gonna go ahead now and move into the common area / living space. You see it has a carpet flooring, houses a fresh coat of paint all throughout. You got lots of outlets in here for any electronics you'd like to hook up. Obviously, if this is used as a living space, small sofa will probably fit good in here, along with the entertainment system. You got a couple of windows for some sunshine to come in. And of course, the unit is internet and cable ready. Real quick, I'll show that this room does lead to your outside porch area. It's a private porch area. It's a little bit of extra space for some lawn chairs. You got a good scenery of the street. Fantastic. All right. Now we're gonna move on to the 2 bedrooms. Now both bedrooms have the same exact features as one another. Let's look at the one on the left. This one is a little bit bigger than the bedroom on the right, which you'll see in a moment. But again, the same exact features. This includes the carpet flooring, fresh coat of paint, baseboard heat, and plenty of outlets for any electronics. And each bedroom does have their own closet space for storage. This bedroom, I'd probably put a queen size bed that'll fit perfectly in here and allow for other pieces of furniture to be put in here. And the other bedroom, I'd say the best fit is probably a standard size bed set. And here's the closet space available to you in this bedroom. All right. Look at the bedroom on the right side. Again, as I said, the same features. This one's just a little bit smaller. Standard bed set, probably best fit. And you have the closet space for this one right over here. All right. Last but not least, we're going to move on to the bathroom area. Right through this way. And as I said before, it does house the same laminate flooring in the kitchen. And you have the small sink area with some cabinets underneath for storage. You also have the mirror vanity up above that. And above the toilet, you have a couple of extra cabinets in case you might need them. And you also have, of course, the full tub and shower right over here. Perfect. And just to show you real quick, you have even more storage space available to you in this bathroom with the extra shelves located all the way at the end. All right. So once again, this is 59 Sweet Avenue, Unit 1F in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, though, I'd like to remind everybody once again to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we publish on our site and, of course, any news that we publish about real estate and property management. Thank you very much.